Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. A few weeks ago, a company contacted us and said, would you like to try out our heated jacket? I was a little leery to begin with because every heated garment I've ever had anything to do with was chintzy. I mean, it was not worth the postage it cost to get it shipped. But we finally received the Meltivo heated jacket. And when I opened this box, I was not disappointed. Well, this is the box it came in, and I did take the tape off. That was mainly to just inspect it when I did receive it. What happened was this arrived a couple of, maybe 2.5 weeks ago. And someone else picked it up, not me. We did make it into the post office yesterday on Christmas Eve. I'm recording this on Christmas Day, 2024. And this is the Meltivo heated jacket. This is how it comes. And this is not a wimpy jacket. Comes in its own carrying case. Plus a really nice resealable plastic bag there. Let me get things out of the way. As I said in the past, things that I have looked at as far as heated clothing goes, really not made well. This is totally different. First of all, I don't think you can see this here. This is the plug-in adapter for the power pack. This box contains the power pack. Now, what is about to happen, this is a very heavy-duty jacket. It is not thin, it is not lightweight, yet it's not heavy. And when I say not lightweight, I mean the material that is used is very high-quality material. And what's about to happen now is I'm going to charge the battery bank, and we're going to do a test outdoors at minus 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, our first test was a snow machine ride out the trail. An aspen tree had fallen across the trail, so Michelle and I went out and spent probably right at 2 hours going out, cutting the tree up, getting it loaded, and then clearing out off the trail, and then coming back and unloading, and so on and so forth. I stayed warm the whole time. The only thing that really got cold were my fingers, and that's because I did not have hand warmers in my gloves. But the Meltivo jacket kept me warm. So Michelle found a dead birch, a dead standing birch that we had taken down last year. So she just let me know that she's going to be cutting that up and bringing it back while she gives the dogs a run. And I am continuing to wear my Meltivo jacket. Been very impressed with it. I am not cold. I am not hot. This thing does not overheat you. It just keeps it at a comfortable temperature. Right now it's 11 degrees below zero. I'm sure that at 40 to 50 degrees below zero, I might need like my Gore-Tex outer jacket over this one, and it should work just fine. But for right now, in these temperatures, under these conditions, I tell you what, I really like this Meltivo. Well, day 2 of my Meltivo jacket test period, and I've been outside pretty much all day since I've had daylight. About 4 hours now. I'm still warm. Been down on the cut bank. Took a couple of bolts off of the mud motor muffler to see if they would work on the snow dog muffler. They would not, so I spent probably 15-20 minutes in the shop there going through bins of nuts and bolts. And for those of you interested, hallelujah, I found 2 bolts that were perfect for this, and they are in there. They're locked in. Well, I have lock washers on them and hopefully they are going to hold up a lot better than the original bolts that were holding this muffler on. Minus 28 degrees below zero Fahrenheit on this Sunday morning as I get out and try to get some things done. I don't even have the Meltivo jacket turned on. It's fairly warm, but without even using the heating element. But turning it on is very simple. The switch is right here. Take it, press for a couple of seconds, and I don't know if you can see that or not. The little light comes on indicating that it is working. And that's on the lowest setting. Punch it again and it goes to the second setting, again the third, and again the fourth. And the fourth would be a little on the warm side at this temperature. And I want to invite you to go by Meltivo.com. They have a well put together website that makes ordering very easy. And when you order, make sure you use promo code Alaska20, and you can see it there on your screen. But I totally endorse this jacket. I am really liking how things are. And of course, like I said, at 40, 50 below zero, it'll be a totally different story. Right now it's minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a little on the warm side for this region. But when it hits 40 below, probably use my outer jacket over this one and things will be just fine. Meltivo.com.